In exercise 1, you're given a function f for which you don't know what the function is algebraically. They only give you the picture. And it says use 4 rectangles to find a lower estimate and an upper estimate for the area under the given graph between 0 and 8. Since I want 4 rectangles, then the change in x, or the delta x, or the base of every rectangle, is going to be given by the difference of the largest x I'm using minus the lower x I'm using, b minus a, over the number of rectangles that I want, which is 4. So that means delta x is 2. That means every rectangle is going to have a base of 2. So I know the first rectangle that I'm going to use has a base 2, then this is the other one, this is the next one, and then this is the last one. Okay, from 4 to 6, and then from 6 to 8. And then I know that I'm going to have to use some kind of height to it. Now, because the function is increasing, then I'm going to get an upper estimate by using the right endpoint sum, which is capital R with subindex 4, which means 4 rectangles. And I'm going to get a lower estimate if I'm using a left endpoint for each of the rectangles. And I know that, and all because f is increasing. If f was decreasing, then, for example, if I'm using the left point on each case, the actual rectangles are bigger than the area that I'm trying to find. So when the function is decreasing, then the left endpoint sum of the areas of all those rectangles would be an upper estimate, and then the right endpoint would be a lower estimate. But because the function is increasing, then I know that this is going to be the case, that if I'm using the right side every single time, then I'm going to have an upper estimate. So the picture for the right endpoint rectangles are like this. So this will be here, this will be here, oops, sorry, too much, it ends right here, and then this one will be like this, and then the last one like that. So I'm just gonna have to find these areas and add them all up. So this would be 2 times, this is almost 4, so I can estimate it at 4, although in your book this is not exactly, let me just write 3.75 because it's not quite 4. The next one, it will be 2 is the base and the height is 4. In here, 2 will be the base and the height is almost 6, so I'm gonna write I don't know, 5.5. And then the last one, the base is 2 and the height is 6. So when I add all those numbers, I'm gonna get my upper estimate, and then I'm gonna get my lower estimate by using the left endpoints. So the rectangles are gonna look like this. This is the left side, this is the left side, this is the left side, and this is the left side. So all those areas are gonna be definitely smaller than the real one. So I have to do 2 times, it will be 2 in here, plus the basis is still 2 times, I think I was using 3.75 for that one, plus, and then it will be 2 times, I think I used 4 for that one, plus 2 times, and then in here I'm using 5.5. So when I'm adding all those numbers, then I'm gonna get a lower estimate.